for the Bahamas, but I'm also going to be packing for my move when I get back from the Bahamas. I was supposed to move like this week, but it didn't happen. I'm looking really rough, but who looks cute when they need a pack to move out the house? If you guys hear the noise in the background, that's my laundry thingy. I'm currently doing laundry, but we're gonna make some bloom. Gotta get my nutrients in. I love drinking this stuff. It's so good for you. You get nutrients, energy. I've been drinking this every day, and I will say I feel like I am bloating a lot less. And also I feel like this really helps with my digestive system because I've been using the restroom a lot more. But I use the flavor mango. This one is really good. I usually mix it with orange juice, but I literally just ran out, so we're just gonna use water. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you guys, but this is my third vlog camera of this exact model. I think it was last week or the week before that I spilled water on my camera, so I had to rebuy this one. I bought this one and I bought another one. I bought the Sony ZV-E10 camera. So right now I have two vlog cameras and I'm using my normal like Canon G7X Mark II, but I still have my Sony one that I'm gonna try, but I'm gonna try using that camera when I'm like all moved into my parents' house. I've been spending a lot of money, but it's okay. Anyways, here's my suitcase. Okay, so let me show you guys how my floor looks. I have all of these clothes and all of the ones over here. There's some in that basket. We're not bringing all of it. Sorry again if you guys hear the laundry stuff. It's really annoying, not gonna lie. What are you doing in there? First thing, we're gonna pack our PJs. I put on here that I need 6 pajamas because I'm gonna be sleeping over there for 6 days. Pajamas to me are like shorts and like a top. I have a lot of shorts. We're gonna take this one. Hopefully my brother doesn't think it's his. And then a sports bra, that's what I consider a top. These two make one PJ. Yeah. Anyways, guys, life update. I'm currently going through a breakup.
You said what?
I didn't want to tell you guys so soon, but you know what? Fuck it. If we get back together next week though, like pretend you didn't hear this, but I honestly doubt that's gonna happen. We don't have any type of animosity. I think I'm gonna love him for like the rest of my life, but I don't know. We're not like angry with each other. Please do not message him. I would like him to have his privacy and stuff and his time. Don't bother him, okay guys? I'm gonna be mad if you guys do. Just kidding. 6. I hate packing. I'm definitely wearing this hoodie for the airport. Need to check your bullshit at the door. 6 sports bras. But guys, I recently got this swimsuit. Ooh. It's like crochet and I think it's so cute. It's like a baby blue with cream. And like imagine me wearing this bikini with my cowboy hat. Yeah. But also look at these skirts I got from Shein. I got this black crochet one and I'm gonna definitely wear this like under the belly. I think that is so cute. I'm also packing this white one I got. I'm definitely wearing this as a micro skirt too. And then I'll decide my outfits out there because there's just too much on my mind for me to be like creating my outfits right now. So, but I have this really cute like hot pink bikini. I got this one from White Fox Boutique. I got this one actually last year and I didn't get to wear it. I'm also going to be packing this swimsuit, which I love this one so much. This one might be one of my favorites. And I got this one from Princess Polly. I'm also packing a all black one because you cannot go wrong with all black. Squish it. Ooh, guys, look at that. That looks so good already. She loves hanging out in my suitcase. It's the weirdest thing. Like she's always loved that since she was a kid. Gotta make sure I don't forget my cowboy hat, which I'm gonna leave it right next to the suitcase so I don't forget it. But we need 2 cute dinner outfits, which I actually have a lot, so this is gonna be kind of hard. I also got this like long shirt. I just thought that if I like wore this as a tube top and like made this all cute and shit, oh my god, like crossed it or something, like I thought this could be a moment. Yeah, right? But in case you guys are wondering how the breakup is doing, honestly I'm doing really good because the breakup was so mature. I'm kind of here like, damn, like this is new. But we broke up a week ago, so I'm gonna finish packing. I will see you guys when I go ahead and pack for the move. That's stressing me out so bad, you guys have no idea. Welcome to my closet. Yup, it's back to being a junkyard. Did you guys know that today is March 16th? Oh, my ass is so sore. But I fly out on Saturday, but literally next Saturday, March 25th, is my birthday. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I kid you guys not that I have been waiting for my birthday to fall on a Saturday for like, I don't know, 7 years. I've been waiting, and now I finally get to have a birthday on a Saturday and I have no plans. Like normally I'd be like, oh, we should throw a party or we should go bar hopping, but I do that every weekend already. so it's kind of like not that fun anymore. It's not that special. But honestly, the 21st birthday, that's probably one of the only birthdays that is worth celebrating. But I do want to celebrate my golden birthday. For my 22nd, I have no idea what I want to do. Yeah, I'm in a pickle. Anyways, we're in my closet because we're gonna pack. Using this box, we're packing up all of my shoes. Last year around this time, my ceiling was literally flooding like with water, and water was dripping through my ceiling. It would like drip and I would have to like put a bucket underneath, right? And it wasn't that bad last year, but it was kind of bad because hella water was coming down, but not like psh, it was like driplets, like hella. This year it's way worse. So bad, the guy had to cut a hole in my ceiling. Oh my god, bruh, do you guys see? A piece of water just fell on me right now. It is so bad, like the water is dripping, there's yellow. It's so disgusting, and I think it's just meant to be that I'm moving out, because why would I want to deal with this? I'm literally the only person in this apartment complex dealing with this problem. Anyways, there's a hole there, and then right here you guys can see. Terrible, terrible. I'm done like packing at the current moment. I mean, I did like a good amount. I'm gonna finish the rest of it when I come back from the Bahamas. Oh, cannot forget post notification shout out. Okay, so today's post notification shout out goes to, and I'm really sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, it goes to Havila Gengmei. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate it so much. Any of you guys would like a post notification shout out, all you guys have to do is be subscribed, turn on that post notification bell wherever it is, and make sure to comment Buttercup. So yeah, that is the end of today's video. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and yeah, that is it. Bye. Mwah.